Today we are going to design FSM for the set of string divisible by 2 over decimal number system. Now to design FSM, which is mentioned here, we should know two basic function: machine function, in which the input with the current state goes to the next state, and the state function, in which the input with the current state go to the next state. So for finding these two functions, the basic requirement is we have to find I, S and O. So what is I? I is given in the question. It is a decimal number system. So what is a decimal number system? Will consist of the symbol 0 to 9. So the first step in finding the number system is that we are going to use this formula, sigma raised to 0 wala formula for finding the entire number system. So after finding the formula, what we are going to get? We are going to get the single digit number, 2 double digit number, and so on. The next step will be, what will be the S? S we have to find out by solving the question manually. So the first bit that we have generated in your number system is 0. 0 divisible by 2. Yes, when 0 is divided by 2, the answer will be, the remainder will be 0. So 0 is divisible by 2. 1 is divisible by 2. When 1 is divided by 2, the remainder will be 1. So 1 is not divisible by 2. 2 divisible by 2. When 2 is divided by 2, the remainder is 0. So yes, it is divisible. 3 is divisible by 2. No, the remainder is 1. So 3 is not divisible. 4 is divisible by 2 with the remainder 0. 5 produces remainder 1. 6 produces remainder 0. 7 produces remainder 1. 8 produces remainder 0. 9 produces remainder 1. That means based on the remainders, we are going to divide I into two groups which are producing remainder 0, that is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and a group which are producing remainder 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So I is nothing but the even number and odd number set. Now till here we have generated single digit number. Now we will generate two digit number, for example 10. Whether 10 is divisible by 5, yes, with the remainder 0. 11 with the remainder 1. Now we are going to consider 3 bit number 112. So for dividing 112, so 2 5s are 10 with the previous remainder as 1. So here the previous remainder as 1 with the next bit as 2. So the new number generated is 1 2. So 1 2 is divisible. Yes, it is divisible. Then the next number is 113. So 2 5s are 10 with the previous bit as 1, previous remainder as 1, and the next bit as 3. The number generated is 13. Whether 13 is divisible by 2 is not, it is producing remainder 1. Similarly 257. So where previous remainder is 0, next bit as 5. So the remainder will be 4 with the remainder as 1, not 4, with the remainder as 1 with the next bit as 7. So the 17 is generating. So what will be the remainder of 17? It will be 1. So based on this calculation, we are going to have two state. Either it is going to produce remainder 0 or remainder 1. So that we have marked as Q0 and Q1. So that means we got S also. Now to generate O, we got either the remainder 0 or the remainder 1, so that will be considered as your output alphabet. Now to designing machine function, we have I in the form of even number and odd number, S we have in the form of Q0, Q1, and O we have in the form of zeros and 1. Now it is the time to complete the machine table, in which as a row header we are going to write I, which is in the form of even number and odd number. As a row header, column header, we are going to write the state Q0 and Q1. So with the Q0 with the next input bit as 0. So Q0 with the next input bit is 0. Q0 produces output 0 with the next bit as 0 will make numbers 0. When the number 0 is divisible by 2, yes, what kind of output is going to produce? Is going to produce output 0. Q0 with the next bit as 2. So Q0 with next bit as 2. So previous Q0 result in remainder 0 with the next bit as 2 will produce number 2. Whether 2 is divisible by 2, yes, what kind of output? 0 only. Now Q0 with the next bit as 4, Q0 with next bit as 4, Q0 produces output 0 with the next bit as 4. Whether 4 is divisible by 2, yes, what is the output that is generated? 0 only. Q0 with the next bit 6, Q0 with the next bit 6, Q0 produces output 0 with the next bit as 6. Whether 6 is divisible by 2, yes, if it is divisible, what kind of output was generated? 0 only. Q0 with 8 will produce output 0. Now Next Q0 with 1. Q0 with 1, previous input is 0 and the next bit as 1 will produce number 1. Whether number 1 is divisible by 2, no, with the remainder 1. So the output 1. Now Q0 with 3, Q0 with 3, that is previous remainder is 1 and the next bit as 3, that is number 13 is generating. Whether it is divisible by 2, no, remainder 1. Q0 with 5, Q0 with 5, Q0 with 3, it was not 13, it is 3. Q0 with 5, it will be the previous remainder is 0 and the next bit is 5. So the remainder is 1. Q0 with 7, 0 and 7, remainder 1. Q0 with 9, 0 and 9, remainder 1. Now Q1 with 0, that is 1 and 0 will make number 10. Number 10 is divisible by 2, yes. So what output? Output is 0. Now Q1, that is 1 with the next bit as 2 will make number 2. Number 2 with the next bit as 2 will create new number as 12. Whether 12 is divisible by 2, yes. So how we are going to indicate? With the output 0, so it is written output 0. So Q1 with 4 will make number 14. 14 is divisible with 2 with the remainder 0. 1 and Q1 with 6 will make number 16 with the remainder 0. Q1 with 8 will make number 18 divisible by 2 with the remainder 0. Now Q1 with 1 will make number 11 where it is divisible, no, with the remainder 1. Q1 with 3 will make number 13 not divisible with the remainder 1. Q1 with 5 will make number 15 not divisible with the remainder 5. Q1 with 7, same thing with the remainder 1. 9 will make number as 19 with the remainder 1. So this is how we had completed machine function. Now we are going to complete state function. So what is given in the state function? Again, I as a row header, S is a column header. I is divided in even number and odd number, and S is Q0 and Q1. And what we are going to write on the cells, we are going to write the next state. So Q0 with the current state and the 0 as the next bit. So Q0 previous output is 0 with the next bit as 0. What will be the resultant state? So this 0 0 will produce output as 0, that is remainder 0. Remainder 0 as marked as Q0. So here we are going to write Q0. Again same thing if we want to again verify. So Q0 with the current state and 2 as the next bit. What will be the resultant state? So it will produce number 2. Number 2 is divisible by 2 with the remainder 0. Remainder 0 is indicated by Q0. Similarly Q0 with 1 with the previous Q0 produces output 1 with the next bit as 1 will make number 1. Whether number 1 is divisible by 2, no, with the remainder 1. Remainder 1 situation is marked with the state Q1. The next bit also Q0 means number 0. The next bit is 3. What kind of number? 3. Whether 3 is divisible by 2, no, with the remainder 1. Remainder 1 situation is marked as Q1. Q0 with 5 will produce number as 0, 5 with the remainder 1. Remainder 1 is indicated by the state Q1. Q0 with 7 is 0, 7. Generated number 7. Number 7 with the remainder 1. Remainder 1 is marked with Q1. That is already marked. Only once we have to write all these things. Similarly for number 9. Number 9 is not divisible with the remainder 1. Remainder 1 is marked with Q1 stream. Now Q1 with the next bit from here with the next bit 0. So Q1 with 0 will produce number 10. Number 10 is 10. Whether 10 is divisible by 2, yes, it is divisible with the remainder 0. Remainder 0 as marked as Q0. Now Q1 with 2. 1 and 2 will make number 2, that is 12 with the remainder 0. Remainder 0 as marked as Q0. 14 remainder 0. 16 remainder 0. 18 number with the remainder 0, that is Q0 stream. Now 1 1, that is Q1 with the number 1 is 11 with the remainder 1 marked with the Q1 stream. 13 Q1 with 3 is 13 with the remainder 1 marked as Q1. 15 remainder 1 Q1. 17 remainder 1 Q1. 19 remainder 1 and Q1. This is how we had completed state function. Now the last and the most important diagram is state transition diagram. We have marked two state Q0 and Q1. Obviously all the division is done under remainder 0 state, that is the Q0 state. So this is a very important marker. We have to put the initial state. We have to always mark initial state. Now Q0. Now we have to check what is given in your state function, in your machine function. Q0 with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So that we have to write here Q0 with the input 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So what is the output? Q0 with this input, Q0 with this input, what is the output? Output is 0. Okay, and where it is going? Q0 with this input 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it is going to itself. Okay, again Q0 with the odd number, Q0 with the odd number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. What kind of output? Output is 1. That we have to attach input and output with this arrow. Where it is going? Where it is going from the state function Q0 with this output input going to Q1 state. Now next bit, Q1 with the even number, Q1 with the even number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. What kind of output? Q1 with this input produces output 0. Okay, where it is going? Q1 with this input, where it is going to? Q0. So it is going to Q0. Now Q1 with the odd number, Q1 with the odd number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. What kind of output? Output is produced is 1. Output is 1. Where it is going? Q1 with this input it is going to itself. So this is how we have completed FSM for binary number divisible by 2 for decimal number system.